Hi there, Sarah at followsarah.net, and I just wanted to give you a quick little blogging booster tip that I just thought of just now as I was looking at my blog and thinking of ideas. And I had just thought of a couple things that I wanted to blog about and post, and I was looking for my Word document or my notepad where I keep all my ideas, and I thought, honestly, I don't even know if I have one. Yeah, Zoe thinks it's funny. But anyways, what you should do instead of writing it on a Word document or, oh, Evernote, that's where I keep everything, Evernote. Instead of, if you're already on your computer and opening up Evernote or your Word document or your Notepad document, just go straight into your blog back office. Like if you have WordPress or if you have an Empower Network blog, you can just go right in the back and just open up, add a new post and just write that title or the keyword that you're thinking of. Just add it as the title right away and save draft. You don't even have to start writing anything about it. Just put it in there, and then that way it's already in there. The idea is already in your blogging back office, and if you come across a day when you're trying to think of something to blog about, or you want to batch some things out, it's already right there, and then you just have to, think about what you're going to say in more detail, but at least your main idea is already there, like 20%. So, all right, hope that helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the link below, and have a fabulous day. I'll see you next video.